Hi everyone. Okay, based on the previous video, I have shown you how to key in your invoice from your suppliers. Now, what you need to do next is, let's say you want to pay your suppliers, you need to go to expenses and you need to go to receive invoice and just click under overall. So you will see the invoice that you have created previously. Now, if you go to the section under action column, you can see an issue payment here. So this is where once you click the issue payment, meaning that you are going to pay the supplier based on this invoice right here, this invoice number right here. So what you need to do is click the issue payment. Okay, make sure you have the reference number. For this one, I'll just do an example. Okay, you can change the date received. Okay, if it's the correct date, just let it be. Next is issued from. This one will be from your petty cash or the bank. So for example, I will choose the bank. Next is issued to drone supplier. This one will be automatically. Payment voucher number will be automatically as well. Payment method, this one you can choose cash, check, EFT, bank draft, and so on. So if it's check, and the next one is make sure the payment reference number you key in over here. And if there's an import document number, you can type it here, or else you can just leave it blank. And then make sure the subject is payment to drone supplier. Okay. So if all the details are correct, what you need to do next is double check the invoice connection, which is this payment is referring to this invoice right here. Okay, so make sure that one is correct, and finally just click submit. So make sure once you have clicked submit, make sure you scroll down, okay, and double check the transaction details. So make sure the transaction details, the account is correct. So debit to the CIMB and credit to the drone supplier. Okay. So if everything is okay, so double click the submit button again and make sure you go to transactions, my location, to approve the transactions. So every time you receive an invoice, you must go to transaction to approve, and also once you do the payment to the supplier, make sure you click approve as well inside the transactions details. So once you click approve, so if you go back to expenses, received invoice, overall, so the invoice would be as paid. So that is how you do the transaction for issue payment. Thank you.